Hi, everyone. I hope you're doing well. So, I wanted to jump on here to give everyone a quick update about what's going on with this podcast and the future of the podcast. So, 2025 has been an incredible year. We launched the podcast and we have 17 episodes to date. We also got featured by Apple Podcasts this year, which was honestly incredible. I still remember that moment opening up the Apple Podcast app and seeing my podcast on the browse page. Yeah, that was just pretty incredible. So, in terms of updates, I have two main ones. The first is that we're going to try out a new bonus segment. Now, we'll still be having our Patreon bonus segments, but we're going to be trying what I'm calling Curiosity Exchange, which is basically a feed swap. This is when two podcasts come together and feature an episode of the other podcast on their podcast feed. Now, I was debating for a while whether or not to do this because I wasn't sure if it would be of interest, but I ultimately decided to do it after polling folks on my Patreon. And I just thought, why not share really cool and interesting podcast storytelling? Now, I'll only be featuring shows and episodes that I think you'll genuinely enjoy. And the way that this will work on audio platforms is that it'll show up as a bonus episode. Now, if you prefer to watch or listen on YouTube, this is a little clunkier. So at the moment, I've decided to share these as unlisted videos, which I'll post onto my YouTube community post and my Patreon. So we'll see how it goes. And if we need to adjust the model, we'll do so accordingly because this is an experiment. Now, we are a video podcast, but I also want to collaborate with podcasts that aren't video forward. So the way this will work is that I'll hop on screen at the beginning of the episode to give an intro and orient you to what's going to happen. Very similar to what we do on Curiosity Meets the Past. Then we'll play the episode or part of the episode. So if there is a video component, you'll see the video. Now, if it's audio only, I'll throw up an image, probably of the podcast show art, and then some type of waveform, so you'll see some type of movement. Then I'll hop on again at the end to close out the episode. Again, very similar to what we do on Curiosity Meets the Past. So with Curiosity Meets the Past, we have a goal of releasing an episode every other week with some breaks here and there. But for Curiosity Exchange, it's going to be far more sporadic. We're only going to release an episode when we find a good fit collaboration. That being said, we are going to release two Curiosity Exchange episodes this December. That somewhat tangentially leads me into the next update. Now, as I mentioned before, we release episodes every other week with a break here and there. And we are coming upon one of those breaks. From the end of December to the end of January, I will be offline and I'll be taking a break from releasing podcast episodes and YouTube videos. But do not worry, we will be back at the end of January or early February, and we've already recorded some episodes, and they're really good. So I'm really excited to get those out to you. So we're already ready to go for the new year. But I just wanted to let you know, in case you were wondering, hey, why isn't there a new episode this week? Or hey, there hasn't been a new episode in a while. So yeah, those are my two main updates. And as we close out this year, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to all of you for listening to this podcast, taking the time to like it, subscribe to my channel, review the podcast, or even join my Patreon, which is absolutely free to join and access. And you do get other bonus episodes on there. And yeah, for those who have been able to contribute monetarily, that's definitely appreciated too, because it just makes this whole endeavor a bit more sustainable. But I'm truly grateful for all my Patreons because that's the place where I pitch new ideas and your feedback has been super helpful. I'd also like to thank my team, specifically my video editor, Noor. While she's not editing this video, she does edit a lot of our podcast videos. And I'd like to thank Laura, who created our show art. Every time I look at it, I'm just so happy with how it turned out. And I'd also like to thank my team members, Brooke, Anya, and Snay, for consulting on some of the initial episodes and giving me some feedback. And yeah, again, I'd just like to thank all of you for listening and being a part of this community. And I'm excited to see you in the new year. Bye.